Today we will see how to use PageBooster, a free tool by Ezoic, which is available in the NicheIQ tool suite, and we will see especially how to easily improve articles, find keywords that are trending down, and using artificial intelligence, using ChatGPT, we'll see how to update them. So 3 easy steps to improve SEO with PageBooster. So first of all, go to NicheIQ, to the PageBooster tool, find the keywords for your articles, and then simply go to ChatGPT, enter these keywords, find content for these keywords, which we can finally use to update our article. So what is PageBooster? If you go to your Ezoic dashboard, submit your site. If you haven't done it yet, the link is in the description. So submit your website to Ezoic to be able to use a lot of free tools, including PageBooster that we'll see now. And once you will have done so, you can go to NicheIQ tab here on the top. In NicheIQ, you have various tools. Right now, we'll only talk about PageBooster. So once you have submitted your website to Ezoic and made sure that you have performed all the authorizations necessary, give the system a bit of time, like about a week. And after that time, the system will have gathered data, so data coming from Google Search Console, and will analyze your rankings update. For these updates, for these keywords ranking change, it will let you know automatically which keywords are trending up, down, not at all, the ones that are stable, the ones that have no data. So you will easily find keywords on which you can work. And so here you will have a breakdown of pages by trend. So here we have no special trend for this website. If you have a website with more volume, more traffic, more keywords change in rankings, you will see how many keywords are trending down, how are stable, how are trending up, etc. So here we have only a few keywords on this website. Then when you go to page list, now you can have the interesting information. You have 4 tabs, one for the keywords trending down, one for the stable keywords, one for the keywords trending up, and one for the indeterminate keywords. What we want to find are the keywords that have lost the most rankings, the most position in search engines, and have lost the most traffic. So for example, for this article, we have lost 72 visits in the last period, in the past 4 weeks. It's explained here. And we want, of course, this article to rank better. So by expanding the details for this article, we can see here these keywords that have lost the most traffic over the past months. Then simply select the keyword we want for example, this keyword. So here we have kind of a full sentence, so we can simply copy it. For example, if it was a keyword like this one, fried onions grocery store, which isn't self-explanatory, you have to work a lot more to include it in content, because this keyword doesn't mean much. But here, the first keyword, where do you find French fried onions in the grocery store? This is the main keyword that lost the most traffic. It's very simple, and we can copy it by using this button and directly go to OpenAI and paste it. Where do you find French onions on the grocery store? And now we just wait for ChatGPT to give us the answer. So we can, of course, write the answer ourselves. We can give these keywords to an external freelance that will include these keywords in updates on our articles for us. There are many different solutions to use this report, make the most of it, but kind of fast, simple and free one is to take these keywords again for free. Use ChatGPT to create update for this content. Then take this, so just copy it, go to your article, edit your post. So here, for example, it's my post, and find a nice place to add this content. For example, below this, paste your content, and make it look nice. So depending on your website, on your audience and everything, maybe you will want to add more information, remove some information, change the list into subheadings, or it really depends on the text you have. So here we had a full sentence where we had nothing to change. But of course, if you have a different keyword, you might want to update the prompt to get real and better answers for your keyword in ChatGPT. Well, now I just want to to copy the initial keyword to be able to paste it here. So here I will paste it as a subheading, add an initial uppercase, add a question mark at the end. So this here is a heading, let's say the heading 3. And here we go, we have just pasted the content. That's all we have to do. So this is content generated by ChatGPT for a keyword present in this page that was trending down in the past 4 weeks. And with this update, hopefully it will trend up. So this is an easy and fast start to your SEO content strategy and to improve your search rankings for one article, for one keyword. You can repeat the operation, you can go further, you can write better content yourself than ChatGPT. This is like the simple step. Of course, you can do better. You can also take this keyword, include it like create an illustration about this keyword and make sure that this keyword then will be included in the legend or in the alternative text for this picture, again to rank also on the Google image results, for example. So there's a lot of things you can do starting from this very simple tool. Again, NicheIQ PageBooster that gives you keywords that are trending downwards or upwards on your website and for which you might want to do some changes. So again, if you haven't submitted your website to Ezoic yet, the link is in the description. Everything is free. Again, and there are a lot of useful tools to help you with your website optimization in general, for your earnings with display ads, your search ranking with the SEO tools, your video hosting, and much more. They keep coming. Well, thanks for listening. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and see you soon for another video.